Namaskar, मैं हूँ Ritu Rathore and you're all watching Ritu Uncut. My dear friends, I welcome you to my YouTube channel, where Dharma meets the fiery debates of today's India. हमारी हिंदू संस्कृति एक शाश्वत और समृद्ध विरासत है जहां ज्ञान, धर्म और शक्ति का मिलन होता है। एक ऐसी सभ्यता जिसने विश्व को योग, आयुर्वेद, वैदिक ज्ञान और आध्यात्मिक दृष्टि दी है। Our civilization gave the world the concept of the decimal. Aryabhat's calculations predicted planetary motions. We are the ones who gave zero to the world. Shushrut's surgical precision laid the foundation for modern medicine, while Vedic texts explored the cosmos, blending science and spirituality. We built grand temples, we crafted timeless epics, and gave humanity a moral compass that still guides us. ये चैनल एक प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं बल्कि एक आंदोलन है, भारत की आत्मा का आंदोलन, हमारी संस्कृति को बचाने का आंदोलन. Dharma is the soul of our civilization. It's the eternal truth of the Vedas. It is the duty of Arjuna in the Gita. It is the bhakti of Prahlad. And it is the courage of Durga against all evil. But Dharma is just not ancient wisdom. It's a living force that must guide us through the fiery debates of today's India. Debates over our identity, our temples, our traditions, and our future. आज जब राजनीति और समाज में विचारधाराओं का संघर्ष हो रहा है, where political battles divide us and cultural narratives are pitted against us, it is dharma which gives us clarity to separate right from wrong, to stand firm on the path of justice, on the path of truth, and to protect what's sacred. This channel is where these worlds collide, where the timeless principles of dharma meet the heated arguments of the parliament, on the streets, and in our hearts, demanding truth and action. आज हमारी संस्कृति खतरे में है. Our temples stand neglected. The governments have taken them over. Their sanctity ignored. Our traditions are fading under the modernization's weight. हमारे समाज की जड़ों को उखाड़ दिया गया है. लेकिन प्रश्न ये है कि ये हुआ कैसे? Was this a deliberate conspiracy against our civilization? A calculated effort to weaken Bharat's spiritual core? We'll ask these tough questions on this channel. Who was behind this uprooting? External forces, colonial legacies, or internal betrayals? Why was it done? To erase our identity, to dilute our values, or to break our unity? हमारी संस्कृति पर हमला हुआ है और इस संकट का सबसे बड़ा प्रभाव हमारे युवाओं पर पड़ रहा है. Our youth are drifting from dharma. उन्हें अपनी संस्कृति, जड़ों का ज्ञान ही नहीं मिल रहा है. Without religious exposure, without the stories of our gods, the rituals of our temples, or the wisdom of our scriptures, they face a spiritual downfall, losing the values that made Bharat great, that made Hindu dharma great. So my friends, on this channel, expect no filters. हम राम, कृष्ण और दुर्गा की कथाओं को एक्सप्लोर करेंगे, उनकी शिक्षाएं आज के संदर्भ में समझेंगे. We'll dive into the Gita's wisdom, Shivaji's valor, and our Rishi's teachings to tackle today's challenges. We'll confront the chaos of politics, calling out hypocrisy, exploring divisive narratives, and investigating the forces behind our cultural erosion. ये लड़ाई है अपने संस्कृति को वापस लाने की, और ये लड़ाई हमें लड़नी होगी. हमारे पितरों के लिए लड़नी होगी, उनके ऋण को चुकाने के लिए लड़नी होगी. They sacrificed their lives generation after generation to save and protect this ancient civilization, to preserve this Hindu dharma, to make sure we remain Hindus. We owe it to them. We owe it to the sages of yugas gone by who gave us this invaluable knowledge and wisdom. Now it's our turn to rise and protect it. मैं हूँ ऋतु राठौर, आपकी गाइड इस सफर में. You might know me from Twitter as @Ritu Rathore, जहां मैं खुलकर धर्म और भारत के लिए बोलती हूँ. This channel is a space for every Indian, young or old, urban or rural, who believes in our heritage, who believes in Hindu dharma and refuses to let it fade. बचपन से मैंने रामायण और महाभारत की कहानियों ने मुझे प्रेरणा दी है, and I'm here to share that fire with you. वो जो प्रेरणा मुझे मिली है वो मैं आपके साथ इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे शेयर करना चाहती हूँ. Together, we'll awaken our youth and rebuild our spiritual core. This isn't just about preserving the past, it's about forging a future where dharma thrives. हम अपने मंदिरों को पुनर्स्थापित करेंगे, उनको सरकारी कब्जे से वापस लेंगे, अपनी परंपराओं को जीवांत करेंगे और अपने युवाओं को उनकी शक्ति याद दिलाएंगे. So my friends, join me in this mission. आइए भारत की आत्मा को जगाएं और अपनी संस्कृति को सुरक्षित करें. Hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and let's spark conversations that echo across the nation, across the globe, and across the universe. ये है धर्म और डेस्टिनी का मिलन. चलिए इसे हकीकत बनाएं.